So here is the little bird that we discovered. It looks like a baby robin. She's not an itty bitty baby, but she's pretty small and still needs her mama, and we discovered her. She can't fly very well, and so she somehow got out of the nest. And we've been feeding her some worms, and she seems to like that. And I've got her wrapped up. Tries to get it.
Hey, you hungry?
Look at that large one.
Well, she has to take it.
Look. It's yummy.
It's still there.
It's
It
trying
crawls
to
back
get
up.
out.
Yeah.
It's like, let me out. Was that good? Wow, she's full now.
You want to eat? Are you hungry? Nope. See, look, she doesn't want to.
Yeah.
Because she doesn't
She's
want to.
Oh, y'all,
No,
I'm
she's
stuffed.
afraid that thing's gonna crawl back up.
Yeah,
she's
she's trying to keep it
down.
down.
Yeah.
So this is what Silly does when she's hungry. She just chirps, and it's like every hour. We go and get worms. We get like 5 worms, feed her. She's good for about an hour. And then after an hour, she starts chirping again because she's hungry again. Huh? Are you hungry? You need some more worms? You need some more nummy worms? Okay, we'll go out. I'll try to find you some more worms. Here we go. Ooh, that is a yummy, juicy one. So we've been trying to find worms for Silly. Lillian's actually really smart. She learned that if we look under the rocks and dig around a little bit, we can find some worms. I kind of have mixed emotions when we find a worm because on the one hand, I'm happy because it's food for the bird. But on the other hand, I'm kind of sad because, you know, that worm's life is about to be over. Hurry up, Lillian. The bird's hungry right now. He's chirping. He's hungry.
She's yelling.
Okay, yeah. She's chirping. She's hungry. And you're just goofing off.
Excuse me? I'm not goofing off.
You're dilly-dallying around. You're...
I'm not dilly-dallying around. I'm looking.
Ooh, there's one. Oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, she's gonna love those ones. Those look great. Nice. Lillian, I think you're the best worm finder of the family.
I want the robin.
I think that... Well, I think I got one. I got a fish. I think I got one. No, I was wrong. I think that getting eaten by a bird would kind of suck. Because they don't like chew you or kill you first. They just swallow you whole. So basically, you would just be burned alive by the stomach acid of the bird. Sorry guys, you're about to get burned alive. What's that? You don't want to die? I know that it's gonna suck. I know it's not gonna be fun, but it won't last forever. It'll be quick. Uh-huh. Right? Uh-huh. That's true. I know, but if you think about it, like, what else was there in life for you to look forward to? I mean, you live under a rock, so it's not like you had a whole lot going for you. Uh-huh. Right? What do you want us to do? Like, not feed her? Just listen to the chirping? Oh, is that a big one?
Sort of.
Nice.
Sort of.
Ooh, another one. Did you rip it in half?
No.
It's a jackpot, man.
I know. Just ask me and I will be your jackpot.
Is there like a little one right there, or is that under that little rock right there?
No, this one, that's a green one. We don't get these. They're...
You notice that I just point them out? I don't want to touch the worms because they're gross. So I just let the kids touch them. I just point and say, there's one, and then they grab it. What, like, there has to be a manager, there has to be a supervisor, you know?
feeding her worms?
Yeah.
Okay. How about your teething on Jake?
Let me try.
You can try. Hold on.
Stop.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to feed a bird. I've never done it.
I know, it's hard. Get her in front. You gotta let her see it. There you go. Let her. How to get it there.
Dad, you come out! I only have one
Where
round.
is it? Hold it like this.
Hold it in front of her face. Her eyes.
Okay. Careful, don't squeeze onto her.
In front of her eyes.
Nice.
She doesn't see it. Dad, you come out!
Watch. You have to go
She
like this.
doesn't see the worm.
Watch. Put it in, Mason.
Everybody's in the way.
Yeah, we're
Mason.
taking turns, sweetie.
Dad said we'll talk about wasting
Dad,
you come out! You guys, Dad said we'll talk
Okay,
about
I'll help
wasting.
you. What's coming? Look. You're not hungry? Come here. Aw.
She's hungry.
Put it like that. Oops.
Hey, we had to lift a bunch of rocks to get these for you. You better eat them.
She does. She just doesn't.
She's scared of Mason. So.
Well, she may not know. Yeah. That's great.
Um,
Come here.
apparently she's not the smartest bird in the world. She's like the Owen of birds.
That's not
Right,
Gotta let it
Lillian?
hang down, buddy. You can't.
She's
hold
like Owen,
like
right?
this.
Nope, I
Pinch
was one
it?
of the smartest cats. How he taught
Can you
himself
move Liliana, please? Because he needs a turn. He hasn't had a turn, so we're trying to get him to put it in.
Good job,
There you go.
Mason.
There you go. Good job.
Yay!
Now Liliana's turn.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
no,
what
no.
Did that
No.
just?
Yeah, she just came out.
Did that worm just come out of its
No,
mouth?
no.
She tried to hop out.
She may be full right now. Huh?
She's like, I'm so full. Those worms taste just as good on the way out as they do on the way in.
Oh, that's okay. Oh. Little.
Hey, silly.
Is mine too little?
You're the best pet we have.
Is mine too little?
Stop, Mason.
I'm very bigger.
You're getting bigger, huh?
Is she? Yes, she is.
She's still got like her baby feathers in
Well,
the back.
yeah. Well, no, those are her new feathers in. They're
Oh,
grown
they're the
in.
new feathers.
Yeah, they're grown in.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Hi there.
And she still has some baby feathers that fall out, like the fluffy ones.
New feathers coming in.
Hold on, let me.
On her stomach and pull up, and then she'll climb on it.
Say, pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Pretty bird. I'm gonna try. Alright, just let Luke try. Let Luke try.
That's Luke over there.
Here, come get her from mom. Come get her from mom.
Let's get a picture of Luke and Lillian with it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Now just
Okay.
One more cat.
Okay.
Just me.
Okay, hold it like. Ready? Look out, Mason. Look out, Mason.
Mason, move.
Ready? Go over this way a little bit so the bullet. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Not so close to your head though. That looks kind of weird. 1, 2, 3.
We're holding a baby outside.
1, 2, 3. Good job.
No, I'm just outside.
Okay, we're gonna put her back. Turn and face daddy. Oh crap, she's pooped.
She poop on your eye, Mason? What
Oh,
the?
crap, stop, Mason.
I
Okay,
can do it.
no.
She's trying to
I'm
fly.
gonna put her back.
What's on your eye, Mason?
I don't know.
Okay, bye-bye, silly.
Bye bye. What if she already does trust humans?
Bye-bye, silly.
Daddy, what about you put the phone in here?
I won't put my phone in there.
She's cute. So here's Silly, our little bird that we've been taking care of. And we released her because her mommy and her daddy have been kind of squawking and looking for her, and she's been communicating to him, and there she is calling for him. She was actually on this deck, and then she flew up to that branch, and she slowly worked her way to right there.
Climb down. And her mom swooped down onto that.
And her mom's been swooping down and getting food for her.